Hey guys, welcome back to Solace Chop. I'm over here just gonna tell you guys about a new car that I just bought, mint condition, guys. Zero rust. Almost 10 out of 10. It's a 1982 Toyota Corolla TE72. It's the hardtop, I think, coupe. Just check it out, guys. It's mint condition, guys. Has some rust for sure. Window doesn't go down on this one. Door handle? Nope, no door handle. Window works. When the back is good. Paint job for sure needs one. Trunk works. That's good. Oh, it has rust right here. This is holy. I think this one's bad over here. Need to get rid of these tires. Damn it. The wheels are stretched. Panels are good, solid. Interior is trashed. Gas works. Obviously there's no key, so I have to turn it on through there. Dash is cracked. No door cards, no headliner. Rear seat's there intact. I think the driver's seat's the worst one. Has covers I gotta remove. It's trashed, but it's there. Yeah, that's my mint condition Toyota Corolla 1982. It's gonna be my next project. So after hard work, sweat and tears, we got the Corolla primered. Obviously I didn't do it, that's why I didn't record it. But hey, we got it somewhere. Interior still looks like crap, but hey, it's all about the outside, guys. Who cares about the interior, right? Window's gonna get replaced next week, so that's one up. I probably gotta remove everything right there. Dash. I gotta fix the blower motor. I gotta fix that right there. That's that over there. Gotta take that off. I gotta take this off right here and put the new one on. Well, it's used, but it's not broken and ripped apart, and because they pretty much were jump starting it through there. So we got that. I got the windows to roll up and down. I welded the window regulators, each tooth separately. There's a couple videos of that, but I need to replace the little tabs that go on the levers for the door to open it from the inside. Apparently you actually need those. They actually do something. So I gotta replace those plastic ones. I bought them online. They were like $1 or something. I bought like 4 of them because, you know, in case we have to remove them again and they break. Well, that's about it. Oh, and I installed the door handles. It works now. I can open it from the outside. Got keys. Got new key locks for it. And that's what's going on right now. I gotta figure out what thread the shifter is, and then weld probably a bolt to it so I could figure out what shifter to put on, because it's broken. I didn't know that. And that I know, that's about it. I think that I know of. I mean, I don't see more other things in there. I'm gonna reupholster the seats. I got myself a old school Singer machine. Yep, 1960s. And I did some Googling and I got that. I got the mirror ordered. I'm just waiting to whenever they send me the shipping information, but I got it from Japan. I got the other side, the right side, because it doesn't come with the right side, so I ordered a new one. Well, I used the one right side. Pretty cheap. It was 25 bucks. When people sell them for like 200 over here in the States, but the shipping is like 50 bucks. But that don't matter. I'd rather pay 75 than 200 bucks. So that's about it, guys. And obviously I got to do some custom panels and we'll be good. I mean, slowly, but here we go, man. And that's it, guys. So please like and subscribe. Because I'm tired of working, man. I need some money. I'm just kidding. Whatever you guys want to like or not. Hey, but I'm going to keep you guys posted. And if I do anything next, for sure. Well, I'm going to probably do the ignition for sure right now. So I'm going to record myself doing that. Thanks. Keep posted.